Guys, let me introduce you to one of the longest and biggest two-door convertibles you will ever see. 1960 Buick Electra 225. Let's just start by doing a walk around. I'm gonna tell you guys as much as I possibly can about this vehicle and the history of this particular model. This car is in absolute pristine condition. This car is extremely thought after in the 60s. It was one of the top models other than the Cadillac. It's 225 inches long, hence the name Electra 225. They also called it a deuce and a quarter. Now on the outside, guys, this is just unreal. Look at all that chrome. I think this should be illegal during sunny days. The chrome it's everywhere. The condition of this is absolutely mint. It is a beautiful combination. There's no such a thing as too much chrome. This car's got the Colker tires, white walls. They're super hard to get nowadays. The condition is, they're a little bit older, but it's in a mint condition, these tires. Under the hood is all original here. The generator has not been converted either. It's a 401 6.4 liter engine with a two-speed power glide transmission. I'll show you how to operate that shortly. This car was restored in 08. As you guys can see, it's just impeccable here. Now, this Buick is bodied by Fisher. Fisher is a company that built shells for GM and Buick vehicles. I don't think that during 1960s it was part of GM. All perfectly aligned. What a style. Another fun fact that this is actually toned down fin, the jet area, the Jet H, I guess they called it. So the 59s had even bigger wing, and the 60s has stopped them completely. So this is the last Buick Electra 225 with the fins. Now this car, I believe, was actually originally from Oregon. It was there the whole life up until 2008, where it got bought from a fella in Vancouver, Canada, and it's been here ever since. Now if you guys want to talk about chrome, look inside. Chrome everywhere. Look at this. It is a perfect combination for this vehicle with this color. Power bench seat. Can you guys just imagine in the 1960s having that? Up, down, whatever you want. All detailed, everything works. Let me show you how to start this thing, guys. It's not actually as simple. Nobody could ever start this when they got in the first time, including myself. Key from lock to on position. There you go. There's a starter switch right under, well, it's not actually under the accelerator. I believe it's under the hood actually on the engine. You just push it and that's it. Parking brake. Push it down. Your air vents. all of these work. This is still original. It doesn't work as the frequencies of the radio are actually different, I think, right now, but this little thing was just added after. It's not original, and it can be removed just with 4 screws out there, and that's it. But this is how you switch the stations. This is, I guess, how the presets you could save. Just amazing. Got your light switch. This is for your power top. I'll show you guys how to operate that later. Wipers, never touched it, never had to. Volume, if the original system would be working. And we got power antenna. Power windows. And now just let that sink in, guys. Power windows in 1960. They go up faster than the Civic right now, including the back ones too. Now with the 2-speed power glide, you have your park, neutral, drive, low gear, and reverse. You don't use your low gear to start, you just put it in D and let it do its thing. You would only use the low gear when you're either going uphill or loaded. Pretty straightforward. Now this, guys, is one of my probably favorite features here. It's called a Mirror-matic, I believe. So as you guys can see, it's a mirror right here, and the speedometer is right here. And how you would adjust it is just turn this knob. Basically like a modern day heads-up display. You can call it that. This right here, you guys won't believe what this is. Now pay attention. Right there. This is your speed limiter. So as you turn this, let's just say we're gonna set it at 50. As we hit 50, it's gonna give you a buzzing sound. We'll do that when we're gonna be doing the drive video. And this is how you would get in. Simple. No seat belts in the back, by the way. It was not required, and they're not required right now either. It's collector plated, it's original. Plenty of room. Got your own ashtray right here. Your power window switch. Lights right there. Now here, guys, if you look, you've got 2 buttons, 1 and 2. One of them is to switch the radio stations, and the other one's for high beam. So unbelievable that you can actually switch the radio station by hitting the button with your foot while driving. Total hands-free. The dashboard. It is a very solid piece, not flimsy. It's just everything in this car flows. Everything in this car is just, I don't know how to say, I don't know what these guys were thinking in the 60s. So the window, you can actually unzip it. You guys can see right there. Now this here, guys, is a Buick Tri-Shield emblem. The Tri-Shield is actually Buick's original logo, and they only made 3 models. So each one of the, I guess, flags, logos represent one of the cars they have made. It's a very, very unique and a very cool logo. Just a timeless piece. All right, guys, let's go for a drive. Push to start, baby. So again, I told you guys about the transmission. So we got park, neutral, drive, low, and reverse. Just put it in drive, no need to go low or anything. And just the speedometer that I was talking about, right here is the limiter. As you guys can see, I've set it at 20. We're doing just about 20 miles. You can put it on there. So that can get pretty annoying. That's your technology right there. Beautiful day out here in Vancouver. It is February. It's like 15 degrees out here. It's not normal for us to take out these cars, but let's go for a drive. If you guys can actually feel how it's driving, I can't explain it. It's super soft. It's got enough power. You gotta go from a gas station to the next gas station, but who cares? You're not driving it every day. Let's go. All right, let's see what this baby's got. Gotta turn off my speed limiter. Set it to, and let's go. Guys, we're doing 50 miles an hour just like that with the two-speed power glide. The brakes, actually, they've been converted on this model. The front is disc, so the braking power is good, because with the 4 drums, good luck stopping this thing. Is there oh no, we cannot see the mountain view right now, right? No. This is what you call luxury, guys. Again, we're driving in this Buick. It's longer than a F-150, just to put it in perspective. It's probably longer than most of pickup trucks nowadays anyways. Flawless drive, no vibrations, no shakes. I don't know why we got away from that era. Sometimes it makes me want to go back. You get in this car and you feel like you're back in those times, which my dad wasn't even born when this car was made, but you get the vibe, you know, on a sunny day, top down, and good luck stopping at a traffic light, because this is probably gonna turn more heads. Not probably, it turns more heads than any car I've ever been in. All respect to all my Ferraris, Porsches, BMWs, but this is just a different type of a head turn, you know? All right, guys, let's go for a little cruise. No, let's cut. I need the glasses, sorry. Oh. Because I was in them. You know what I do with David? I give him small clips. Cut, cut, cut. Is it on?